If you're running or planning an SAP S4HANA Greenfield project, you already know it's a huge opportunity to build clean, modern processes from the beginning. But with that opportunity comes a lot of complexity, especially when it comes to interfaces and integrations. That's where Int4 Suite can help you. In a typical Greenfield scenario, you are not migrating, you are starting fresh. That means rebuilding all your interfaces, mapping logic, and integrations from the scratch. This puts the bar on a high level. So what to do to ensure a smooth go-live? First, build a repository of test cases based on existing unchanged communication with external partners. Even though you will be redesigning your interfaces, it is very likely that for a big portion that communication with your partners will not change. This means you could use the historical messages that you exchange with them to test the newly built solution. Int4 Suite allows you to build that repository automatically, and that, thanks to its service virtualization capabilities, allow you to simulate these messages into the new S4 environment. Thanks to that, you could start testing very early, even during the development phase, and using reliable test data. Second, do not miss any test data received. For interfaces built completely from scratch, you will not want to miss any test message that you received and processed from your partner. With Int4 Suite, any test message can be automatically recorded in the repository so that it can be replayed anytime later, for example, to retest defects. Finally, be future-proof with your regression testing. As your Greenfield project evolves, you will roll out updates, add new processes, and optimize configurations. With Int4 Suite, you can keep regression test cases in your project repository and rerun them anytime to ensure everything is working smoothly. That gives your team confidence that new changes don't break existing functionality. So if you are aiming for a smooth S4HANA Greenfield go-live with fewer delays, better quality, and real agility, Int4 Suite helps you get there. It's not just about testing, it's about building smarter from day one. So if you want to make things as easy as possible, simply book a free discovery call during which we can explain in more detail how Int4 Suite can help you deliver perfect SAP S4HANA Greenfield project.